What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This your boy Two Wheel Monster. What we got here is my muffler, my left side. I guess this thing came loose. It's supposed to hold it goes on the bottom of the muffler. Goes up in here, and it goes in there, and then that's what holds your muffler down. Apparently, I think mine I don't think that's supposed to be like that. And this thing came out. So what I gotta do now is figure a way to put it back in there, put it in here while my muffler is inside, and pinch these points out or in or something so it stays in like this. Let's see. I just grab a handy tool and gently grab that and start pulling. There we go. I'm gonna get rid of this. I'm gonna take it off. It's probably gonna be super loud, but oh well, until I get some baffles that I can put in there, like cover. So just got pull and yank on it. Oh, look at all that. And now we got that. That should be loud as hell. I think flames will come out now. Alright, so we got the exhaust baffle out. This thing's so bad. Look at that. The thing had a hole in there, burnt. That compromised. So we got that. Now we gotta put that in there like that, and then this should go in there like this, and somehow I gotta get this bottom. So let's see what it sounds like with one exhaust and then one exhaust out. I'm gonna start it up again. Yeah, I don't like that sound. That's too loud. Cops here from everywhere. Now we're headed to Lowe's. We're here. We're about to go get them parts, whatever it's called. So I'm using. Can you? There you go. Don't cut my fingers. Damn. She flew all the way down there. I got that. We got screws in here. Then we got size 10 in there, and then we're gonna try to start tying them from inside. That's not gonna be so easy, so I'm just gonna get a screwdriver, hold this in place on the bottom, and then just do that. Okay. So hold this. Then I'm just gonna use this to start tightening it. It's all hollow. Moved all of them. So now let's take it for a spin, see how it drives.